Good evening, beta. I'm just solving the few numericals, and please see that how to solve the numericals, which is based on the formula V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, means V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Numerical will be based on these three formula. First numerical, which is given on page number 109. Just open your textbook and you can see. A bus start. Before solving any numerical, just write down first U, V, T, S, A, because only 5 things are available in this formula. So any one of them you have to find. So just write down first and then see the question. I am reading here, a bus starting from the rest. Starting from rest, there is two velocity, one is initial and one is final. Starting velocity is initial velocity and finishing velocity is final velocity. Initial velocity is denoted by U, final is denoted by V, T is T for time, S for distance and A for acceleration. So here it is mentioned that starting from rest, rest means there is no motion, means initial velocity will be 0. And then with uniform acceleration, acceleration is denoted by small a. So you have to write here 1 meter per second square, 0.1 meter per second square. Then for 2 minutes, means time is 2 minutes, and convert into second. So 2 into 60, you will get 120 second. Find the speed acquired, means you have to find V, and find the distance, means S. So just check the formula. You have U, T and A and find V. So which formula you can use? We can use first formula, because U, A and T is given and we have to find V. So use that formula. V is equal to U plus AT. Put the values. U is equal to 0 plus A is equal to 0.1 and time is 120 second. So just multiply, you will get 12 meter per second. Okay. Now we will find distance. And now speed is 12 meter per second. So now you have U, V, T and S. Sorry, T, and for finding the A is 0.1 meter per second square. Okay, now you have to find S. So you can use either second formula or you can use third formula. So let's use second one. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Just put the values. U is 0, so UT will be 0. Then half A is 0.1. Time is 120 into 120, because T square is given here. So 120 into 120, you will get 14400. Multiply by 01. So just put here point. So answer will be 1440 meter. Okay. So this is the first one. Now we'll see the second one. Page number 110. And in the second question, train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. In that question, starting from rest, so you will be 0. But in this question, they are saying that train is traveling with a speed of 90. Means starting velocity is 90 km per hour. After that, brakes are applied. So uniform acceleration is A is minus 0.5 meter per second square. Here you can see that acceleration in meter per second square, but velocity in kilometer per square. So just convert it by multiply by 5 by 18. So 18 5s are, so equal to 25 meter per second. Acceleration is minus 0.5. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to the rest, means रुक जाने तक. तो अगर ट्रेन बाद में आपका रुक जाएगा, इट्स मीन दैट v is equal to 0 meter per second. And what you have to find? Just find how far, means you have to find s. So you have u, a, v, and you have to find s. You cannot use first formula because you do not have t. Similarly, you cannot use second one, but we can use third one because we have a, u, and v, and we have to find s. So just use v square minus u square is equal to 2as. You have to find s. So 2a just transpose this side. So you will get s is equal to v square minus u square by 2a. Okay, beta. Now put the values. V is 0. So 0 square means nothing. Minus u is 25. Sorry, 25. So square of 25 square divided by 2a. 2 into minus 0.5. Just square of 25 is 625. So minus 625 divided by 5 to the 10. And just put point after one digit. So it will be minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Answer will be s is equal to 625 meter. Understood how to find? Let's see the third one. In third question, a trolley which while going down at inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeter square. Acceleration is given 2 centimeter per second square. After that, what will be the velocity after 3 seconds? 3 seconds after the start, means start नहीं हुआ है, after the start. So u will be 0 meter per second and time is 3 seconds. And what you have to find? You have to find what is the velocity, means v. So just check that which formula you can use. You have to use first one. So v is equal to u plus at. No need to change the unit centimeter to meter. Directly you can use. So u is 0 plus at. A is 2 centimeter. Time is 3. So answer is 6 centimeter per second square. So very easy, you can do. Now fourth one. In fourth numerical, a racing car has uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Uniform acceleration. So A is equal to 4 meter per second square. After that, what distance? Means you have to find s. Will it cover 10 seconds after start? After start means u is 0, means start नहीं है अभी तक. And 10 second, t is 10 second. Just find. Now you have to find s. You have u, t and a, but you do not have v. So without v you can use second formula because there is no requirement of v. Use the second. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0, so that part is over. So half a is 4, t is t square, means 10 into 10. 2 5s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 20 10s are 200. So distance is 200 meter. Understood beta? Now last question. Last question is, a stone is thrown in the vertically upward direction with velocity 5 meter per second. means u is equal to 5 meter per second. It is if the acceleration of stone during this motion is 10 meters per second. Just note it down. In this case, acceleration is just a gravitation. Gravitation means acceleration due to earth, and we know that acceleration due to earth is applied in the downward direction, but here object is throwing in the upward direction, so acceleration will be negative. Why it is negative? Because stone is throwing in upward direction and acceleration is downward direction. So acceleration is minus 10 meter per second square. And when we will throw any object in upward direction, always v will be 0. Just note it down. When we throw object in upward direction, v will be 0. And when we will throw object in downward direction, u will be 0. Okay. So v will be 0 meter per second. After that, what you have to find? What will be the height? Height means you can say the distance here, and time. So you have to find s as well as you have to find t. So first of all, you do not have t, so you have to use third formula. What is the third formula? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So just put the values. V is 0. V is 0. And then minus u square. U is 5. So 5 square equal to 2as. 2 into a is minus 10. And s you have to find. 5 square is 25. So minus 25 is equal to 2 tens are 20 minus 20 into s. Here 20 is in the product with s. So this side, when you will transpose it, it will be divided to minus 25. So minus 25 by minus 20 equal to s. Minus minus cancel. 5 4s are and 5 5s are. So s is equal to 5 by 4, or you can say that 1.25 meter. So s is 1.25 meter. Now we will find the time. Here s is 1.25 meter. Now find the time. For time, you can v is equal to u plus at. So v is 0, u is 5 plus a is minus 10 into t. So 5 is here plus, just put this side, minus 5 is equal to minus 10 into t. 10 will be divided in this side, so t is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Minus minus cancel, is equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5 second. So you can try these five numericals and other numericals as well, which is given in exercise as well as in blue questions. And if you are facing any problem, just inform me. I will send you the solution. Thank you, beta.